Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Time check. 4:07 everyone. Today is Monday, 17th of the February. Oh wow. Lapit na. Lapit na ng katapusan again. And the weather today is 1%. Ang temperature dito sa amin is 1%. Ayun. At the moment, meron akong kasabay. Ayan. OOTD of the day. Ayan, kasabay ko si Sister Alma. Subscribes on her channel. Alma ano?
Ha?
Alma ano?
Oh, Alma Rebellion.
Rebilla.
Yes. I'm a vlogger also.
Ayan.
Don't forget to search my name.
Yeah.
Alma Rebellious B-Vlog.
Ayan. Okay, everyone. Dito tayo, sis. Maglakad tayo ng 15 minutes.
Okay.
Para maaga pa naman. Tsaka, exercise ko na yun eh. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Good morning everyone. Kain tayo. Need iinom ng paracetamol at masama ang aking katawan.
Tapos ang tapang niya, no?
Ayan everyone.
Maraming gustong sabi niya, hindi mo na parang hindi na sinasin trabaho, maraming gustong. Kala ko kung sino, di ba?
Good afternoon everyone. It's already 3:45. Ayan. Dito ako sa first train. So, see you after another train at Algate. Yeah. Everyone, hindi ako nakapag-video na kanina dahil masama nga ang aking pakiramdam. Kailangan kong ayusin. May inayos lang ako sa
Doors will open on the right-hand side.
EE Company. That's it at the moment. See you later, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm already here. Aldgate. Ayan na. Nearly to my job site. Maganda ngayon, maliwanag ang panahon. Time check is already 4:15. So, may 15 minutes pa or 45 minutes. Something like that. Yan lang everyone. See you later. After 4 hours in work.